Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with your BGMI ID. First, ensure both games are updated to their latest versions for optimal compatibility. This linking process allows you to transfer your in-game assets, levels, and statistics. It ensures a seamless gaming experience across both platforms, preserving your hard-earned progress. This is great for players wanting to connect with friends on the global server while keeping their data. Before beginning, make certain your BGMI account is securely linked to a social media platform, such as Facebook or Google Play Games. This existing connection is absolutely crucial as it serves as the primary authentication method. It facilitates the secure migration of your profile, ensuring all your data is safely transferred. Verifying this step early prevents any unnecessary delays or complications during the process, making everything much smoother. Once inside BGMI, access the Settings menu, typically found in the top right or bottom corner. Look for a section labeled Account Transfer or Data Migration, which is specifically designed for this purpose. You will then be prompted to confirm your desire to migrate data using your linked social media account. Carefully read the terms and conditions presented to you, then proceed with the confirmation. Now, close BGMI entirely and launch your PUBG Mobile application. On the main login screen, choose the identical social media account, like Facebook or Google Play Games, that you use to link your BGMI account. PUBG Mobile will detect the pending data transfer and present an option to restore your progress. Confirm this action to complete the synchronization of your account information and assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.